Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken to buy crypto. First, you'll need to create an account on Kraken's platform. Use a valid email and set a strong password. Next, complete the identity verification process. This is crucial for depositing funds and trading. Finally, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. This extra step provides significant protection against unauthorized access, keeping your assets safe. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank account using a wire transfer. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it from another wallet. Always review the minimum deposit requirements and any potential fees before initiating a transaction to ensure a smooth process. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy crypto. Head to the Buy Crypto section on the Kraken platform. Here, you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend or the amount of crypto you want to receive. Carefully review all the order details, then confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. Beyond simple purchases, Kraken offers advanced trading features. You can explore various order types, such as limit orders to buy at a specific price or stop orders to manage risk. Also, consider Kraken's staking services, which allow you to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies by helping secure their networks. Remember to always prioritize security, using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. For more deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.